In the previous unit, we learned how to create and edit program, courses, and units. Now let's go ahead and learn how to start making lessons. Lessons are a little bit more detailed than programs, courses, and units, so let's take a look at what the page looks like. Here's the Create Lesson page, and it is understandable if you're a little overwhelmed at first, because there are a lot of fields on this page. However, we're going to walk you through it, and we feel that after you've made 2 or 3 lessons, you're going to get the hang of it and be able to make lessons very quickly. I'm actually not going to make a lesson in this video. I'm just going to show you how the lesson parts connect to a real lesson. So as you can see up here, I've got a real lesson open right now, and so let's look at the parts of it. First, we're going to give our lesson a lesson name. This lesson name will appear on the icon for your lesson, but it will also appear at the top of your lesson. So as you can see, this lesson is called Outer Planets. Next, we can assign our lesson to a unit of our choice. And just like all the other content, we can make our lessons private, protected hidden, protected visible, or we can make them public. Those are the basics of creating a lesson. And what we're going to do in the next part is go ahead and take a look at how each lesson part comes together.